திருச்சிற்றம்பலம்.
Welcome to all. This Mahan Tirumular Tirumandiram has to say for 7 chakra in this explanation and day to day in your life in practice and this element, location and color seed mantras. So in explanation for this first chakra is root chakra. This is traditional name is Muladhara. Location is silently inside the perineum and element வந்து earth. Associate color red. Seed mantra is lamb. LAM. Okay. This is day of the week Monday. Physical accept instant ethically and biological extension security and groundness physical foundation and health fear of instability and change trauma. This is the root chakra. This is root chakra. This next chakra is sacral chakra. This is traditional name is Swadhisthana. Location based of the spinal column at the level of the cortex or tailbone. This is this tailbone. This is the spinal cord. This last end. Okay, this is level of at the level of the people bone. This element is water. Associate color orange. Seed mantra is VAM. 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 Day of the week Tuesday. Physical accept feeling and implies verticality adventure totality enjoyment sensuality pursuit of pleasure sexuality same and the unconscious. This is sacral chakra. This Swadhisthana chakra. This is next chakra is solar plexural chakra. This is traditional name is Manipura. Location behind the navel. This is anatomically related to the solar plexus. This is element is fire. Associated color yellow. Seed mantra RAM. 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 This is solar plexual chakra. This is Manipura. Day of the week Wednesday. Physical accept will individuality independence attention intensity courageous control and angry. This is next chakra is heart chakra. This is heart chakra is traditional name is Anagada. Location behind the center of the just midway between the two breasts. This is center of the just. This is element is earth and associate color green. Seed mantra yam. OAM. This is day of the week Tuesday. This is day of the week வந்து என்னது Thursday. This is solar plexual chakra is day வந்து Wednesday. This is next heart chakra is Thursday. Physical accepted emotional relationship love attachment and dependency betrayal and disappointment forgiveness letting go. Next mantra is throat chakra. This is throat chakra is and throat chakra this name for this is throat chakra is traditional name Visuddhi behind the throat pit. This is front of the neck at the throat pit. This element is ear. ETH ear. This is color one blue. This seed mantra is hum. HAM. Next day of the week Friday. This is physical accept communication self expression leadership manifestation vision articulity transparency. This is third chakra. This is third eye chakra. This is Ajna. This location is behind the eyebrow center. Main eyebrow center. Element light. This is color purple. This mantra Om. This is day of the week Saturday. This is physical accept, intellect, clarity, insight, mental order, discrimination, attention, curiosity. This is crown chakra, sahasrara. This is center of the top of the head in the brain. This is element, cosmos, pure light and sources of creation. This is color, violet and white. This is mantra, ha, ha. This is day of the week, Sunday. This is physical, spirit, meditation, transcendence, timelessness, non-attachment, divine nature, universality. This is 7 week. This day to day. This is 1 by 1 chakra. This is root chakra. This Muladhara chakra Monday. Next chakra Swadhisthana chakra. This is Tuesday. This is Manipura chakra Wednesday. This is heart chakra Thursday. This is Vishuddhi chakra Friday. This is Anahata chakra, அதாவது ஆக்ஞ சக்கரா. திஸ் இஸ் சாட்டர்டே. திஸ் அடுத்து crown chakra, சஹஸ்ரா சக்கரா. திஸ் இஸ் சண்டே. திஸ் டே டு டே இன் யுவர் லைஃப் டூ. திஸ் இஸ் மார்னிங் 5 o'clock or 5:30 o'clock. This is sleep at the time, and this one is based on the 7 chakras. This is next chapter, next section. Meet what you. Thanks to all.